Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines speech on Earth Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. Number 2. Today I am here to speak about Earth Day. Number 3. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. Number 4. It reminds us to protect our planet. Number 5. Our Earth gives us air, water, and food. Number 6. But pollution is harming our environment. Seven. We should plant more trees and save water. Number 8. Reduce, reuse, and recycle should be our habit. Number 9. Small actions can make a big difference. Number 10. Let us work together to keep our earth clean and green. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.